Growing your money tree. Investing is important. It helps your money grow. Think of it like planting a money tree. You put your money in different places. Over time, your money grows bigger. This is how you build wealth. It's how you achieve your dreams. Investing is for everyone. You don't need to be rich. Start small and watch your money grow. Remember, the earlier you start, the better. Time is your friend when it comes to investing. Different pots for your seeds. Exploring investment options. There are many ways to invest your money. Let's look at some popular options. Stocks are like buying small pieces of big companies. When companies do well, your investment grows. Bonds are like loans to the government or companies. They pay you interest over time. Real estate is investing in properties. You can earn money from rent or by selling the property later. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification. Diversification is important. It means not putting all your money in one place. Imagine putting all your eggs in one basket. If you drop the basket, you lose everything. The same goes for investing. Spread your money across different investments. This reduces your risk if one investment doesn't do well. Ready, set, grow. Your investment journey begins. Investing may seem complicated, but it doesn't have to. Start by learning the basics. There are many resources available to help you. Consider talking to a financial advisor. Start small and gradually increase your investments. Be patient and stay invested for the long term. Avoid making rash decisions based on market fluctuations. Investing is a journey, not a race. Start today and watch your money tree flourish.